A warm welcome to one and all to LearnerStar's YouTube channel. If you are someone who is watching our video for the first time and would like to get a lot of updates related to Central University admissions, we would recommend you to subscribe to our channel. So in today's video, we'll be sharing how to predict the cutoff of different courses at different universities. So knowing the cutoff is one question which is asked by many of our students. We are getting a lot of inquiries regarding how to know the cutoff of the courses. So the thing is that the cutoff is considered or calculated using the percentile scores of each of the courses in each of the universities. So basically the percentile scoring is depending on two factors. One is the number of students who are applying for each of the courses and the scores obtained by the students who apply. So if a lot of number of students apply for the course and there will be some people who are having good scores and there will be some people who are having very low scores. So what happens is that the gap widens between the range of scores. So when the gap widens, the percentile score will also have a tremendous impact, wherein, for an example, if the lowest score was of 50 and the highest score was 350, the gap between 50 and the 350 will be 300. So 100 percentile would be 350, those students who are having 350 scores, and 0 percentile would be those students who are having 50 marks. So the gap between them is 300, and so each 3 marks will carry forward 1 percentile score. So it means that a person who have got 347 marks will have 99 percentile, and another person who have got 320 marks will have 90 percentile. So it all depends on the number of students who apply for the course and the score obtained by each of the students who apply. So our advice to all of you would be to apply for the courses in the admission portal and wait for the admission result to come. So if you are planning to study in any of the central universities, you should apply for almost all the central universities having your choice of course, and only if you apply you will be knowing whether you will be getting it or not. So you should apply for maximum number of institutions, and some institutions might have a small amount for the registration process, whereas some institutions won't have a small registration fee for the admission portal. So institutions like CU Rajasthan and CU Haryana had a small fee in the previous year for their registral portal, whereas institutions like CU Karnataka or CU Kerala or CU Tamil Nadu doesn't have any fee for their admission portal. So if you are someone who is watching our video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel to get instant notifications about many videos we will be publishing related to Central University admissions. And if you have any query related to CUCT, feel free to ask your query in the Google form attached in the description. We will be addressing your query in the next live happening every day at 7 p.m. So thank you.